that's that. I made some adjustments to the throttle again, and it's surging. So I'm wondering if it's running too lean. I don't know. It's a stock carburetor on the 301. How would I fix that? Come on, guys, help me out. Like, how would I fix the surgeon on this 301? Oh, fuck, stick. Yeah, everything on here is stock. There's just jet it. Because every time I adjust the throttle on it, I'm about ready to bypass the governor. And then doing that, all we would do, I've done it on the 212 Hemi. The governor arm, just take a speaker wire here and then tie it to the throttle arm. And when it tries to pull back, it bypasses it. The governor won't go back. It's complicated to explain, but that's that. So now, what? No, I just put gas in it. No, I think it's something, like I think the carburetor is dirty and we need to clean it out.
I bought this for nothing.
Well, you can put it on the cart. So I'm gonna try to start it.
Yeah.
That's what I told everybody. Get up there and get the kill switch.
Put it?
Yeah, just in case. Like, I don't know why. We'll do this and then we gotta let it set for a couple days. Now it starts when I put this on choke. I wonder if the carburetor's dirty. Yeah, I think the carb is dirty. Don't push it, come on. Let's see. Alright guys, help me out. Guess we'll have to just get the tractor and pull it back.
Keep that switch right down, then it will work.
Yeah, but we can't drive like that though.
Why?
We just can't. I guess we'll just get the tractor, put the gas on there. I see the moon too. Alright guys, so that's it. We had to push it back all the way. We could use the tractor, but I think I'm almost out of diesel. But here's the deal. It will start on choke, of course. As soon as I move it to run, now it's going perfectly wrong. We'll see. We'll jump on it real quick. See? Did it again, didn't it? Alright, so as long as okay, let's have to think. Grip on third, then the fuel. There we go, you got one. When it's on, let me reset this camera. When it's on choke, when it's on start, yes, when it's on start, it runs. We drove the whole way back from the field with it on choke. When I put it on run, it stalls out. We hit a lot of bumps, it stalls out. So I'm wondering if that's the oil sensor and a clogged carburetor. So you guys let me know what you think. Alright guys, let me know what you think. Please comment below and like. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to continue seeing more crazy content like this, not really crazy, but we're trying to bring the channel back, revive the blue roller and the 301. So reviving this 301 and the blue roller, and hopefully get all these other projects going. That is it. Guys, take care, God bless, and we'll see you on the next video when we figure out what's wrong with the blue roller.